Some factory machines move faster than the human eye can follow.
But have you ever wondered how all this works so smoothly?
This is the world of industrial automation,
where every sound has a purpose. Many people think factories are loud and chaotic.
But modern factories are carefully engineered.
Every movement is calculated. Every sound signals accuracy. Nothing here is random. Automation replaces chaos with control.
Efficiency becomes predictable.
And precision becomes the standard. Robotic arms work with incredible consistency.
CNC machines carve materials perfectly.
Packaging happens at high speed.
Quality control never sleeps. Artificial intelligence guides decisions.
Machines communicate without words.
even silence carries information.
This is Industry 4.0 in action.
Now, meet the heart of the factory. Thousands of actions per hour. Each one perfectly timed.
This machine never gets tired.
Its sound is a rhythm of productivity.
Humans guide, machines execute.
This is modern manufacturing power. Precision at its peak. Industrial automation is more than machines.
Which machine sound impressed you the most? Tell us in the comments.